Hi everyone. So you can see this is a Honda City which has come to Auto Rounders in Hyderabad for a complete paint job and some mechanical work also. So the starter of this car was faulty, so we had to repair it. So the problem is already resolved now, but now we will also be starting the paint job. So you can see the front bumper, even the brackets should have broken from inside, that's why this is the problem. So the car had also few dents which we will be fixing while doing the paint job. So let me show you those panels. So you can see here, these are very tricky because it's on the line, but since we have dent puller machines of Wood Germany, so we will be able to fix it. Even at the rear also you can see this panel has a dent. Similarly dicky also has a dent, and it's a pearl white color. So pearl white is little expensive, but yeah, it gives a better shine, and because of the pearl addition, so it gives a better look. Because in case of pearl color, apart from the regular paint, you also need pearl clear color. So you can also see there is some rusting also in this car. So all this rusting job will also be done. This door also doesn't open properly, and all these rusting patches will be fixed before we do the paint job. It's very important that you get these things done very professionally, otherwise the entire paint job which you will get done will be of no use. So you can see all these panel has rusting. This customer had waited almost a year for us when he knew that we are coming in Hyderabad, and now since we are open, he has sent the car. Now you can see this door also doesn't close because of the alignment issue, so you have to do it this way. So I'm showing you in detail because this car has a lot of rusting issues, that's why. So stay tuned guys. Once the project is complete, we'll update you about the same. Thank you. So as you can see, the front bumper and the rear bumper we have changed. These are new bumper. So the rear left door had lot of rusting. It was beyond repairable. So we decided along with customer that we will replace it with second hand door which didn't had rusting. Though it had little damages, but we have repaired it in our denting process using dent puller machines. color is pearl color, but it's a different pearl. It's white pocket pearl. Very settled pearl till date. Whatever pearl we have done, I personally like this pearl because it's a very settled pearl. The pearls are also very tiny, so it's looking very good. So in fact, this was the first time that we painted in this color code, and it looks very good. From far, it looks just like any other normal white car, but when you come close, or if there is any light coming on it, that time you can see. So if you can come close, and we can see the pearl effect on this. Yeah, so that's the pearl effect. You can see the complete car. So when we paint the car, we also ensure that it's properly clean inside out. The full car has been neatly cleaned also. So that's the paint booth, guys, in which the car was painted. So while we painted this car, the color that we have used is Glasso Red, which is actually very premium color. It's made in Germany. So the base coat and the clear hardener, everything that we have used in this car is of a Glasso Red company. So in case if you're looking at any such premium paint jobs, you can call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So that's the car and that's the customer. And thank you so much that you gave us an opportunity to paint your car. And if you can give your feedback about how is the work and the paint quality.
Excellent. I didn't expect this much of quality work.
Really?
Nice.
So actually we didn't tell you, but we had upgraded the paint material also. So the paint material which we use in your car is of Glasso Red.
Oh.
You can check about it online. They're very premium color, but we wanted that quality. So that's where we upgraded it to that, and look at the result. Actually, personally also I really like this color a lot. That's why I saved the color code also, because if tomorrow someone do all white, I would definitely recommend this for white.
Okay.
So once again, thank you.
Even I am also very much satisfied with the quality of paint.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we look forward to work on your other cars soon.
Sure.
Thank
Definitely.
you. Thank you so much.